So currently LG is launching what they call their first bacteria disinfecting, and not just even bacteria but virus disinfecting case that will disinfect their new Meridian tuned earbud. The product is sent to come out later this year, probably by the end of the year. It is going to come in a special new case that comes with an ultraviolet light that disinfects the earbud even while it's charging, and you are going to get a good performing earbud as well, because they tuned it with professional audio brand Meridian audio that LG bought sometime, I think 2 years ago. So you're getting that. The product hasn't really gotten a name yet, but we all expect it to have a name before the next 2 months, because LG is planning to launch it around the ending of the year in countries like UK, US, and some Asian markets, and maybe they may throw it up on Amazon to see if a lot of people will place an order for it. The battery life in it hasn't really been talked about yet, but the case itself can actually charge the earphones 6 times. Basically, so it is going to have enough power to run the earbuds for a while. But one thing I can do for you guys is just follow us on our channel. Once ever a news report on these earbuds come out more, I'll make another update for people that are interested in the new LG UV bacteria protecting case and the earbud, basically, whenever news reports come out, because right now it's a bit scarce, and even what HiFi is reporting it, they don't really have a specific date for its launch, and there is no proper name for the device, but generally. So you guys have to wait before I can make more content on this, but it is coming out and I'm waiting for it. Make sure you follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.